see. Okay, here's all the ingredients. Yeah, that's easy to see. But look what happens. When I found this stuff, you always get the dash onion herb. Here, let's give some buttery garlic herbs on that. Got the spice of mace garlic. Mace, you know, they all, you know, the garlic we all chopped up, sliced and diced to little pieces. Garlic, that's what we call mace. Garlic, right here, got garlic salt. Here. So my sister, she makes the best sea salt, garlic powder. Black pepper, of course, flavor, lemon pepper seasoning, onion powder, and chicken. Not put that. Like we're out of accent. I'm gonna do the bison mess. Don't worry, we're gonna have some room. Sorry. And then we'll get this how we do. And I got these 2 potatoes right here. I'm gonna put it in the pot. So, okay, might use one of them. Yeah, I might use one of them.